Another gate brought to you by strongfencing.co.nz. This is a 7 metre wide sliding gate with a sloped bottom. You can see it's got the bigger wheels on the bottom underneath. You can actually get low profile wheels, but this one actually doesn't have low profile wheels. But it's a pretty decent sized gate, 7 metres long, 2.2 metres high, and as you can see, at the moment this one's actually set on 70%. We haven't put it on 100% speed, probably just try and look after the motor a little bit. Plus if you put it on full speed, it can be a little bit more dangerous, but that's how that one looks. The challenges with this one is have to work with the concrete guys. It's a commercial job, so we've got to make sure that the concrete is poured perfectly, because we don't want to have the gate uneven on top, but that's what it looks like. It's got these two 75mm hoop posts. These rollers here are actually they're actually mounted to the front of the post. You can mount them around the back, but we chose to put them around the front on this one. And then it's got this little custom made catch here that is basically to catch it in the middle of the post. And this one actually has an aluminium track down the bottom, the nylon rack. It's got this AROS 1000, which is a heavy duty motor. So yeah, if you're looking for an automatic gate, hit us up, let us know what you're wanting to do, and we can work out a price for you. This one obviously goes to match the spare top fence. A lot of people get this spare top fence put in, so we did all this fencing in here, and we built this gate to match it. It's fully welded, so I'd just watch out getting a gate that's just got posts with panels put in it, because that's not going to be strong enough. This one's super strong, fully welded frame. I mean, you could upgrade it if you're worried about the strength of it. You can put stronger rails in it, but you can see this one's not moving around too much. It's actually doing pretty well. And these are the magnets that stop it at each end. Oh, perfect. Look at that. That thing there is supposed to be just putting pressure on there so that the gate's actually held quite strong at one end. You can put extra rollers in, but as you can see, it's not really that necessary. The wind's not blowing it that much. So yeah, if you're interested in a big super sliding gate, we can do the fencing, we can do the gates, we can do the motors, and we can work with the concrete guys to make it happen. Cool, check us out, strongfencing.co.nz.